Howdy, Bushwhackers. It's Charlie without Sandy because I'm taking the Guppy for a little makeover. Well, I love my panoramic. One of the things I don't like is washing it. And because no matter how careful I am, I wind up with streaks and all kinds of problems. Plus, it is a boogity bear to get all the dirt off. So I did some research and I found out that ceramic coating will not only preserve the paint, but help repel water and dirt and all that better. We're going to a professional installer of this who provides a 10-year warranty on it. And so we're going to today bring you along to see how it's done. So that if you ever consider getting a ceramic coating on your panoramic or whatever RV you're driving, you'll know what to expect. And we're going to find out, for better or worse, how this goes. So come on along and let's get all shiny together. As we're about to learn, our Guppy's ceramic coating comes in 4 steps.
We start with a full decontamination wash. That's gonna pretty much cleanse the paint on the RV. Okay. And it's gonna remove any contamination, so it's gonna make it super smooth before we go into the polishing process.
So that's just like a fancy washing job, or?
Yeah, pretty much we wash and decontaminate with a clay bar and iron decon. That's gonna decontaminate the paint mechanically and also chemically with the iron remover. So it's gonna leave the paint naked, pretty much.
Okay, what does that mean?
It's the clay bar. It's a little piece of clay that removes contamination that's embedded in your paint. So things that you cannot get just from washing it regularly. So we pretty much finished doing the full exterior wash, and we bring it in, and then we go into the polishing process. The polishing is going to remove any light imperfections from the paints, any light marring, light hazing. It's going to bring out the gloss more, and then from then it's going to be ready for us to apply the coating. So we use a coating named Sunco. It's from a professional grade company. Yeah, so we're certified by them to use it. You can buy it from Amazon or just online.
Cool. And what's the advantage of doing that?
Gotcha, because it comes with a warranty. So if anything happens to the paint while it's under a warranty, then it's covered by us and by the manufacturer too.
Cool. And how long is this going to take?
It's for sure going to take the whole day, and then at the end we're going to let it cure, so it'll be ready for pickup tomorrow.
Cool. Mm-hmm. So a whole day?
Pretty much the whole day, yes sir.
Well, let's get started.
So this right here is a synthetic clay mitt. It's going to be used to decontaminate the paint. Whenever a paint is not too contaminated and not heavily contaminated, then we use synthetic clay. If it's super contaminated to the touch, then we use a clay bar. This gets rid of more contamination. So now that we've finished the whole decontamination wash, we're about to do the polishing.
So on the towel, one side is for leveling and the other side is for buffing. So I will use this towel for leveling and then this towel for buffing.
All right, so now everything's done. The coating is gonna make it super easy to wash and maintain. It's gonna keep it protected from UV damage and dirt and stuff like that. Make sure to take care of it and use the proper products to wash it. That's the main thing to make it last as long as possible. What a proper maintenance means will be the pH neutral soap, right, and microfiber mitts. Yeah, really that's the only thing. As long as you do that, then it's gonna keep it shiny for the longest.
Well, we're on our way back to the Guppy's nest, and boy, howdy, am I tickled pink with how this turned out. The shine is great. It looks like $1 million, and it has a 10-year warranty. In case you're wondering, it ran about $1,200. And they threw in the windshield at the same time, which they say is going to make water bead and keep the windshield easier to see in the rain. We'll test that when the time comes. But in the meantime, I consider it money well spent, and really my only regret in having this done is I didn't do it when it was brand new. If you got a new one, I'd recommend you do it. Do it before you get any bugs on it, because once the bugs get into the paint, ain't nothing you can do about that.
Wasn't that fun? Next time, the Guppy goes to work. Thanks for liking and subscribing to Bushwhackings. Liking and subscribing to our videos makes it easier for more folks to find us, and we're thankful for your help. While you're here, check out these other Bushwhackings videos. We're riding our good ship Guppy to uncover what's up around the bend. Thanks for joining us on the journey.